So, after Agasthyaraj, he shared about uh, humanity. Today it is dwindling. Now I request Guna to speak about a very difficult topic, honesty. Being honest. It's really difficult. Very, very difficult. And if you all follow, naturally God will help you. Yes, Guna.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about being honest. Being honest means speaking and acting truthfully without pretense. It involves being a transparent in your thoughts and feelings and action, even when it's difficult or uncomfortable. Honesty builds a trust and credibility in relationship. As people know, they can rely on your words and integrity. Honesty is not just about telling truth. It's also about being a genuine and sincere in the your interaction with others. It means owning up to your mistakes, taking responsibility of your action, and being a open feedback and criticism. In a broader sense, honesty is value that guides your moral compass, influence how you conduct yourself in various situations, whether it's personal or relationship, in professional setting. Daily interaction, being honest often leads of better communication, deeper connection, and clear consensus. Thank you.
Very well spoken. You know, I just remember when you tell about honesty, my father, his name, I won't say was, is Harish Chandra Pandey. Entire Madhupur, entire used to call him Baba. Do you know why? Everybody in the railway department used to take bribe for something or the other. But my father never took any bribe. We couldn't buy houses, we couldn't buy land. Whatever we had, little bit, that is with his honest money. That also after retirement. After retirement. And he was a living example of that word Harishchandra. And that really I am grateful that both of us, means myself and my younger brother, we are following his path. His legacy is still living after his passing away. He has passed away 23 years, 24 years back. But his legacy would never die until his both the children are there. Thank you very well.
Thank
Acha,
you.
one thing, Guna, it is honesty
Okay.
and as. Okay, very well spoken. Wonderful.
Thank you.